Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and motorcycles. Today, we're celebrating a legendary name reborn, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead. Revered by purists and vintage bike enthusiasts alike, the Shovelhead has long symbolized a raw, mechanical riding experience that defined an era. With the 2026 revival, Harley-Davidson brings back the soul of the original while infusing it with modern craftsmanship and subtle technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new Shovelhead a true homage to an icon. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Shovelhead honors its classic lineage with unmistakable styling cues that echo the original models from the late 60s and 70s. The teardrop tank, deep-set solo seat, and dual exhaust pipes exude vintage charm, while the chrome finishes and handcrafted details reflect Harley's commitment to heritage. Spoke wheels, retro badging, and a minimal front fender round out the look, giving the bike an authentic old-school appearance that will turn heads at every stoplight. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, or rather beneath the tank, the 2026 Shovelhead features a re-engineered version of the classic V-twin engine that pays tribute to the original Shovelhead design. Air-cooled and pushrod-driven, this updated power plant combines traditional architecture with modern internals for improved reliability and performance. It produces a generous amount of low-end torque, giving riders that familiar rumble and grunt Harley fans love. The transmission remains a traditional footshift 5-speed, giving riders a tactile connection to the road. Safety and technology. While the Shovelhead stays true to its roots, Harley has seamlessly integrated modern safety essentials without diluting the bike's vintage character. ABS is discreetly built into the braking system, and the retro-style analog gauges now incorporate a hidden digital display for ride metrics like fuel range and gear position. LED lighting blends with classic housings to improve visibility without disrupting the old-school aesthetic. Optional tech includes Bluetooth compatibility through a minimal handlebar-mounted module for navigation and ride stats via smartphone. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of identity, craftsmanship, and timeless style. By blending vintage design with subtle modern improvements, Harley has created a bike that resonates with both collectors and new generation riders who crave authenticity. From its unmistakable silhouette to its deep, rhythmic exhaust note, the new Shovelhead brings the past roaring into the present. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and everything that fuels your passion for the open road.